Hello everyone, in this video today, I'll guide you through the process of sending translated text to someone on WhatsApp. If you're keen on learning more about iPhone and Android tips, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's get into the tutorial. Steps to translate and send messages on WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp application. Then, navigate to the chat window where you want to send the translated text. Type your message and select the message. For translation process, swipe left on the menu until you see the Translate option. Tap on Translate. Choose the desired language for translation. In this case, I'll use Korean. Then tap Replace with Translation. Now, your text is translated into the chosen language. Proceed to send the message and the translated version will be delivered to your recipient. And there you have it, sending translated text on WhatsApp made easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. And thanks for watching. Also, I'll see you in the next one. So, bye-bye.